Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. So check this out. Temu has sent over this fuel injector tester and cleaner kit for me to try out. This can be used on any types of injectors, so not just from factory or OEM, but they can be used for any performance or aftermarket brands as well. I'm going to be using this tester on all 6 performance injectors for the Supra. This is everything the kit comes with over here. We have instructions that come in English, Spanish, Portuguese, and Chinese. We have 4 different kinds of adapters, these 2 being the most common, or they are compatible with most injectors on most vehicles. So we have the small one, which is 11 millimeter. We have the large one, which is 14 millimeter. We have this 13 millimeter mid-size one that is only compatible with Volkswagen and Audi engines. And then we have this one that is 11 millimeter. It is threaded and it's only compatible with BMW or N series engines. We have the tester itself, we have the input terminals, we have the output terminals, and it does come with this nice durable case that keeps everything organized, and that little O-ring, you see that? So that's pretty cool. I like the case. That is a very nice touch, keeps everything nice and neat. The only thing that this doesn't come with is a power supply, so I'm actually gonna head over to the FRS to get that battery. Besides a car battery, you can also use any portable lithium battery, as long as it's 12 volts. Because then if not, the injectors start acting funny. I'm gonna start off with connecting these to the terminals on the battery. Negative with negative, positive with positive. There we go. And also, as far as the output terminals, it doesn't matter where you hook it up to. It's still gonna work regardless. This is gonna be the second one. We're still on the mode 1. There we go. So let's test both of these out and let's see if it works. Yeah, they both work. You see how it opens and closes? Test out these last 2. Alright, so they all work and they are all clicking. Now we're going to run carb cleaner through it. Put a rag carefully around it. Put it away from the face, actually away from the battery as well. And we're going to press carefully down while we press the button to activate it. It's on the first pulse, which is a single shot. And I have to hold the injector to the base because I feel that if you put too much and you don't press the pulse at the right time, then it's just gonna pop out the injector. Oh, now we're gonna run it on 2. Try it out. Now I'm gonna try this out with a homemade adapter, and essentially it works exactly the same. I am gonna hook this up to the top of the injector. The only difference is that I will have to remove this O-ring. It is not going to be necessary. Be very careful with this, make sure we don't lose it. So I'm just gonna put it back in one of the caps so it doesn't fly everywhere. And I made this like pretty, cool little stand that, I just came up with a good idea of using a rubber band with a glass cup. And that way we can see all of the carb cleaner shoot right through. So we have this. And we're gonna hook it up right to the top of the injector, so it looks like that. We are going to tighten these clamps so it's nice and firm. It's not gonna fly out anywhere. Load set 3. Beautiful, nice. Hook it back up. Let's try it out now. There we go. Now check this out, guys. Mode 4 is a continuous pulse. So I will press the button, it'll activate it, and it'll just keep going until I press it again. Check this one out. Once more. There we go. Beautiful. Now that was all one injector. So let's go ahead and test out the rest of the 5. Safety first. Perfect. The rest of these 4 have proven that they are fine. They are working in good condition and they don't have any leaks whatsoever. So in that case, I should have no issue running these on the Supra. But now let's test out the last 2. Oh, okay, there we go. So the second one. There we go. Third one. That one was a little faint. There we go. 4th. That's a continuous one. There we go. 5th. That's a single. There we go. 6th. There we go. 7th. There we go. And then 8th, which is another continuous one. There we go. No leaks. That's probably the biggest thing, making sure that there is nothing leaking through that. If you guys wanted to see again how it would look, I'm gonna activate the 8th pulse. Here. I'm sure it doesn't fly anywhere. I already had a couple of times that it flew, and then there was carb cleaner everywhere, but in this case, nice and secured. This is gonna be the last one, guys. Let's see if it is going to run in optimal condition. Do keep in mind, this is a tester that you can use at home, and it is very cost efficient rather than sending in injectors to a performance shop that specializes in rebuilding them or cleaning them out. Now we're gonna go with single pulse. There we go. Double. Nice. Triple. It's very hard to control the flow of my finger injecting the carb cleaner into this, so bear with me. Sometimes it doesn't feed all the way through, it doesn't feed properly, but it still works. Now let's see the 3rd. There we go. 4th. This is continuous. There we go. 5th. Single. There we go. 6th. There we go. 7th. Oof, that was intense. And then 8th, this is also going to be a continuous pulse. There we go. Beautiful. All right. And this one as well, guys. No leaks. I'm so excited. I'm so happy about that. Guys, this is a cool product to have, especially if you're a DIYer like myself. And it's cost efficient. How could you go wrong? It's only like less than 30 bucks on Temu. It tested out all my injectors, gave me peace of mind knowing that they're fine and that they are not leaking. Now these injectors are brand new. They have never been used, but they've been sitting around for like over 6 years. So in that case, I still wanted to test them out. And between both adapters, so in my personal opinion, they're both going to be messy and it's going to create some mess. Just the only difference is that if you use the adapter that the kit comes with, it is going to spray like all over the can and kind of like all over the table. If you use your own homemade adapter, it's going to shoot in one single area. So in this case, I use this cup. Now I have to figure out what I'm going to do with all this carb cleaner. Pretty sure I'll figure it out. This is definitely something that I'm going to use in the future. Now guys, I will leave the link down below for this product in my description, so check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please leave it down in the comments below. Stay tuned for more and have a beautiful night. Take care.